Hello guys, in today's video we are going to talk about what factors might cause decrease in print quality, especially in winter. Firstly, we need to consider the temperature of working environment. If the temperature is below 18 degrees, the ink might turn sticky to the conduit and cannot be sprayed out from the nozzles continuously. Besides, temperature can influence fabric's absorption of inks. Secondly, humidity also matters a lot. We suggest you to keep the humidity level within 40 to 60%. If the air is too dry, inks are easy to dry out and clog the nozzles. Thirdly, static electricity will cause inks to drop in wrong positions. To solve this issue, we need to install an earth wire to the printer. In addition, we'd better regularly initiate the printer to spray. In this way, nozzles are not likely to be clogged, and don't forget the annually maintenance. So this is the end of today's video. If you are interested in our channel, make sure to subscribe for weekly news. See you next time.